Hey you guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Well, I'd like to believe that this is a new vlog. I'm actually not sure, but if it is a new vlog, hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you are here to stay. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hello my lovely, welcome back home. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and guys, please don't forget to watch the ads. Okay, now that that's out of the way, I'm actually heading out. As you can see, I'm in my work mode. I have some work that I need to attend to quickly, so I'm just a bit stressed, guys, because of time. I'm sure you can see that, like, I'm feeling a bit stressed right now. So over and above everything, there's a function that we need to attend, a Bizana, at our neighbors, so we need to go there. But in the midst of that, I'm actually pressed for time with my 2026 planner. It needs to be submitted to my printers, and the aim was for me to get it done by the end of this week, but now there's this function that I need to attend. So I'm just like, I don't know how I'm gonna do all these things at the same time, but such is life, these things happen. So I don't know, I need to figure it out somehow. But anyways, I probably won't see you guys again until we are on our way to Bizana. So without wasting any further time, let me head out and I'll see you guys later. Good morning! Good morning, Enzo! Good morning, okay, baby girl, vamos. Okay, are you ready for today? Wow, I'm so excited.
I'm Enzo. Wehe. Anga uyangcombe bephume evidweni lwawapha. Uma ibonga. Baya kakhulu.
Tamam kenal. Money.
I got the rights. Is that
Siyabonga mntana meva. Hlala sofedona. Abanye abantu balandela ngokwazi. Nathi nyamezi.
Yes, it's celeb.
Oh my god.
Hey, man.
Guys, we are leaving Bizana. We came, we saw, we conquered. Hey, sifikile sachatisa, guys, you know. I remember how stressed I was initially about this trip, but now I'm actually so happy you could see, like, kwenzekile, you know, like, there's so many things that needed to happen this weekend. But I'm so glad that we made it and we're here. And it was such a beautiful day. It was such a beautiful event. Oh, makoti, engemuhle. Yo, khona sebemgqokise ingubo zakhe zomchakazi. Oh man, took me back to my day. So that was so beautiful. But anyways, guys, so after we left home, we went to a garage to go put in some fuel. And when we got there, we bumped into these two amazing ladies. I know one of them, Ikamalaka Upelogazi. I didn't see the other one. Like, guys, they were so amazing. Like, wow, what a beautiful interaction. Do you wanna do?
No. But
okay. Okay. Let me start the story again and rehash it in the proper, accurate way.
Yes.
So what happened is my husband went inside, right? Inside the shop, a garage, and then these two wonderful ladies said, "Guti, he must say hi to me for them." So, and then they were standing like by the window thing as a garage, and they waved at me and I waved back, and then I also like went inside, you know, to go greet them properly, you know. So I went inside and we spoke and we hugged and it was so wonderful. And then when we were leaving, they bought me a packet of chips. Oh God. They bought me a packet of chips, but I'm coming once in Sheleni. Oh God. guys, like I don't even know what I did to deserve such kindness. Like honestly, like I'm so humbled. Like I literally want to cry. But Chije, oh my god, like that was so sweet, you know.
They literally rushed to the car.
They literally ran to the car to give me the packet of chips, guys. I go, guys, like, oh my god, like, guys, they are beautiful people at Bizana. Like, Bizana is such an amazing place, you know. Abantu base Bizana, guys, they are just beautiful. Every time I'm here, I'm surrounded by just so much love and kindness, and today was just literally a reflection of that. Bantu base Bizana ngiyanisanda, guys, ngiyanisanda kakhulu. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And then ngizohamba ngidla ama-lays ami endleleni. Awami njalo ama-lays, they're not for my husband, they're for me. Kuthiwe awami.
Messenger.
I'm joking. I'm joking. I'll share them with the messenger. I'll share them. All right, guys. So yeah, we're heading back to Durban now. It's such a rainy day today. Yeah, the weather is weathering for real today. Kodwa ke phela imvula kuke kuthiwa ihambisalana nezibusiso. So if umcimbi wakho is showered by rain, ngokwezulu, that is a very good sign. It's a sign ukuthi nje umcimbi wakho is blessed. So we're not complaining. But anyways, we're heading out to Durban. So I'll see you guys later. Cheers.